What is up, guys? This is Techtubed signing on to another exciting video, and as you have probably already seen, the unboxing of the Galaxy Note 10.1 I did. I'll leave a link in the description to that video. I think I may or may not. So if it's not there, then oh well. But yeah, go check that out. So this is a Bluetooth keyboard case. It's folio style, and it's by Belkin. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and review on this, because I think it'll just be quick and to the point. So yeah, let's get this open. So got my unboxing knife. It's a big knife. It's a big boy knife. Slide into the groove. There we go. And one more time. I'm sliding off to the side. There we go. I think that did it, because I don't see any more tape. So it must be opened. Yay. Okay, so time to get it out. So as we take it out, we find a whole bunch of other stuff, like this cable, which I'm guessing is to charge the keyboard. So yeah, we got charger thing. I'm gonna throw this off to the side. I'm gonna keep this cable right there. And we got the keyboard. So it's got chiclet style, or close to chiclet style. Yeah, close. It's not exactly chiclet though. It's not backlit. Duh, fail. Yeah. That is what I like to call a fail. Okay, that was just like, yeah. So, yeah, you got, that wasn't going to schedule. You got off and on there. You got your pairing button right up here for Bluetooth. So what you do is you just turn this on and then pair with your device, and then you got to turn on Bluetooth for the Note 10.1, and you would put that into this lovely folio case right here. And so yeah, it stands up better with this inside. So I think this right now would be more of the review part. Yeah, so I'm gonna take all this junk out of the way. It's not so pretty. Put that off to the side. So yeah, we'd take this, slide it in to this nice case, and looks like I was doing it the wrong way, because clearly I do not know how to put a case on to a tablet. So, oh yay, I figured it out. I feel like just like singing the Dora, like at the end, they're like, we did it, you know? Wow. This might be like 3 minutes of just me like, you know? I doubt you do. Some of you might. Some of you might. I feel like this case is just like trolling me. But you know, on the bright side, I'm guessing, is that once you get it in, is that it won't exactly fall out. So I guess that's a plus. There goes the keyboard again. I was gonna cut away, but you know, who wants to miss great viewing stuff? I doubt that was good, but yeah, I think I did it. Nope, still not in. Wow. So I bet that you do not want to watch through me struggle. That was like completely bad grammar. I bet that you do not want to watch me struggle to put a tablet into its case, so I will cut away and then come back after I get it in. Okay guys, so we are back, and as you can see, I actually did get it into the case. And while I was off camera, I paired the keyboard with the tablet. So let's take a quick look at how this keyboard works with the tablet. So, if I'm not sure if you guys can read that, so I think I might zoom in a little. You guys probably still can't see it, but what it says is, I like this keyboard because it is quiet, and what I do not like is that the keys are spaced too close together, or spaced together too close, but meaning the same thing. But yeah, it does have a lot of good shortcuts, like home. If I press home button right now, then it goes home. I mean, it's equally bad and it's equally good. It's not the best keyboard, but it's not the worst. And it's pretty cool with the stuff that you can do. Like, I'm using the arrow keys right now. You can switch through different pages. So, yeah, and it's really cool. So, yeah, I think that concludes our unboxing and review. So, yeah, this is Techtubed signing out. Peace.